Hey guys, I'm back here with another video, and and I just came here to this server, and I just randomly got to this player. Now he has like full legendary and full event bees, but you have to see something else. If you go to the leaderboard here and see number 5, he's Drodco Cat _13. And if you come here, he's there. Hi. I'm just gonna say hi. Nice bees. Nice bees. So I'm not kidding, this guy is actually in top 5. Oh my, this just takes seconds. Man, getting to the top 5 feels good. He probably feels good to be in the top 5. Because look, he's at the top 5. Even though a lot of people are trying to get to the top 5, he is at the top 5. I mean, lots of people are trying to get to this top. I mean, it's rare for you probably to get into the top 5. Look! Look at that! This is what Bee Swarm Sims are all about. Having bee swarms. Look, he probably has a glider. Let's see how many. 3 billion. 3 billion. He has made a lot. With 460,459,931 honey made. This will increase. This will increase. I think he's aiming to number 1, which just seems good. It's good. He loves this. Probably loves this game. Probably loves this game. Look, he has like a lot of bees, like baby bees. I have 2 baby bees, 7 lion bees. He has 3 baby bees now. Demon bees, they have like 4 of them. Ninja bees are like 3. Those things are rare. Diamond bees, those things are really also rare. Wow, this guy's super lucky. I just did panda power, so I'm just gonna go there. Parachute. Sorry I couldn't make videos. I got grounded and I had to go party. So, yeah. I made up for my crowning and now I know what to do. So, panda power rules. Let's see if we can make this 3 times. If it does, I'm just gonna go crazy. I mean, there has to be 15. What? What? From Field Blues. Bamboo Field. Oh! So they're just different. They're differenties. Why was I dumb? Well, anyways, this is gonna be the end of the video.